Welcome to the tutorial video on how to set up your Otrading bot. First, open the Otrading app and sign in your Otrading account. Next, bind the API. Create an API key on the exchange and bind it to Otrading. Click on Bind API on the homepage to access the list of supported exchanges. Detailed tutorial documents and videos are provided for each exchange binding. You can find these resources in the top right corner of the selected exchange's binding page. Follow the steps, and in just a few minutes, you'll complete the creation and binding of the API key. Then, start trading. Here, we will use the example of launching the futures AI DCA strategy. Go to Strategy in the Trades. After clicking on Futures AI DCA, you'll enter the parameter setting page for this strategy. Select the trading pair you preferred. Set the initial position based on your funds, which includes the minimum trading amount synchronized with the exchange. Beginners are advised to enable AI mode and keep the other default parameters. But you can also click on the question mark icon for detailed explanations of each parameter and customize them as needed. Finally, click on Launch. You've completed the entire process, and the robot will automatically trade on the exchange according to the parameters and strategies you've chosen.